Hey Jammers, we are doing
a
evil good side. This is the evil side, and the king right there is trying to get the queen. That guy right there, the little evil, creepy looking leopard, took her, so. Oh god, we're trying to find him.
Come on.
It's 10 o'clock. Oh my god. What the? There you go. Got this. No. Look, the screen's better that way. So. Isn't that clear? Look, that's even closer. That looks so weird. Jack. Body.
Unicorn.
She looks weird, but okay.
It's a unicorn.
Yeah, unicorns. I like unicorns. They're mystical, magical.
God.
The birds. It's the bird.
I'm right here, dude.
Daredevil passes away. Hey, I never die, people. Hey. Report this shit. Just kidding. I will never pass away. I'm magical. Let's see. I am right here, alive, and magical. You can't say magical? That's retarded.
It's probably
That's like the most retarded.
I'm a magic star.
Oh my god.
Wait, what the heck? And, oh, wait, did this one? Oh, no, I didn't.
You might have blood, but you're not that scared.
Magical.
Okay, you might be in my nightmares, evil cube.
Just using the magic of editing. Where is everyone?
Where's the queen of bootyfulness? No, literally, I'm just asking.
Someone over here. Oh, it's Gabrielle.
Oh, you're my friend, but right now...
she disappeared.
Oh my god.
Magic.
Oh my god. Wait, she could be in the waterfall down there. Look at down there. Oh my god, so much. Oh my god. I think she left. Did you buddy her? No. How dumb are you? Smart. Ooh, I like my... Why'd you leave my job for?
Where's everyone?
They're in the castle. Or in the...
Oh, there's
Oh my god.
No, look, it's the beautiful queen. Oh, wouldn't it be cool if there was such thing as a white long people? Yes. Comment if I'm right. Yes, comment. Good. I should like talk to AJ, could be like. No, kill. No,
people. There should totally.
If I had freaking free chat, I'd be like.
I took one guy sword.
Let's go. Get the fluff out of here. You. And you know what fluff means.
Yep, I do.
The fluff
nuts are so delicious.
Over here, dude.
All the coconut milk and water.
Kirsten's not good at singing, so please stop it. I am so not stop. Bring a glass if you want more coconut water or some. What the hell?
Delicious. Yes, so come on, get me some more.
Bram, what are you, 9 cat?
Oh my god, what?
9 cat.
Dodges every shot.
What? Shot. You mean shot? You just can't shot.
Get out.
It's like, let's have some shots.
Arctic. Who's Arctic? That dude?
I'm not Arctic, yeah.
And throws into wall. I said let's not do
You
Oh, no, nothings. No, nothing mean no nothing. That does not make sense. Does that make sense?
You suck dick, even though I'm just like, this gonna be dish. You suck dish.
Oh my god.
In other words. Such a dish you are.
Wait, who is the dish? Oh, there's an anger fight. You should fuck everyone out, and I'd be laughing so much. Because there's how many people? 5 times.
Such a dish.
Such a dish. In other words. Oh my god, I need to like put my...
No.
Oh my god, why'd you do that? Evil retreat?
Yeah, because I just like burned you.
I'm a
I totally right on burned you.
Oh, you can't say burn.
Oh, that's retarded.
Burned in hell.
Retarded. That's all plain retarded.
Like my marshmallow.
You
So it
like
says wrong.
marshmallow.
I just, like, because I just burning you like a marshmallow. Okay, that doesn't make sense.
I just burned you like a marshmallow.
Suck on it.
That sounds so weird because you said my mushroom.
I said, oh wait, yeah, I did. Like my
That
marshmallow.
person's like, oh my god, that's so funny. And that person's like,
I love marshmallows. Me too. Damn.
good, back to base. Base, there you go.
Base back to it.
It's the
Retreat.
beautiful queen.
If I could say that. Base back to it. Retreat. Damn.
Quote line.
Ha ha ha.
You're not
Get out of my throne. Get out of my throne.
base to it.
Get off. No.
Gotta go to base. Hey, you're
Get
not.
off place.
They're not.
To right.
To hoorah. If you could say hoorah.
Hoo-wah,
That's how
hoo-wah.
retarded
Can you
they
say
are.
that? Who? Ra. No, you can't.
Hoorah. Who? You can say
No,
hoorah.
no, no.
Down, down. Oh,
Sit, my darling. No, I'm kidding.
that sounds so weird.
My darling. Oh,
So,
wait.
peoples, I'm gonna end it here because this video is going like so long. So, bye, peoples. Say hello to the evil king. Blah, 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 blah. I'm just kidding. He's a good guy, but he doesn't seem like the good guy.